difference. Hey guys, it's Jessie. Hey guys, it's Jessie. Hey guys, it's Jessie, and today I'll be reviewing PoP Voice. If you're wondering what PoP Voice is, it is a professional lavalier microphone. Try saying that 10 times fast. They sent this to me and I'll be reviewing it. Let's get started. It says that you can use this microphone with a phone, iPad, laptop, or PC. Now let's open it. So in here you have a microphone, and it's with Velcro so it doesn't get all tangled. You also have instructions, I guess, a bag if you don't want to keep it in the box, and you have 2 other like mic puff things. 3, but there's an orange and a red one. I prefer the red one because it's cool. And then you have an extra adapter. So the extra adapter, it can fit on that adapter depending on what you're using and if you need a bigger one so you can see the difference. And that just fits right on the other one like that. So these things, they come off very easily. I don't know what they're called, Mom.
Filters.
These filters, we'll just say filters. They come off very easily and they're easy to get on for easy use. So here, I'll just show you the red one. You can just fit it on there like that. Both of these adapters don't fit in the iPhone XR, which we use to record on my mom's phone, so we have to use this adapter that my mom uses for her headphones. So now I'm going to hook the microphone up to my mom's phone and let's get testing. Hey guys, it's Jessie. How did that sound? So here I have the microphone plugged in, and yeah, let's just get started. So I'm going to just test it from different places like that or whatever. So how does it sound from here? 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 Or right here. So I'm basically just going to talk and all that stuff into the microphone, and you guys get to decide how you can hear it or whatever. Hello, how are you?
Hello, how are you?
That's funny. Anyways, so yeah. Can you pause it, please? By the way, guys, the microphone isn't plugged in anymore. So now I have 2 pieces of paper, well, actually my script from the intro of the video, but I'm going to crumble a piece of paper with the microphone and without. So let's get started. So this is without, guys. This is with the microphone. So now the microphone isn't plugged in anymore, so I'm going to eat half of the carrot without the microphone. This video is good because I just get to eat food. Now we have the mic plugged in. No microphone. We have a pickle. Well, half of a pickle. Sour too. Now we have with the microphone. Thank you so much, Pop Voice, for sending me this microphone. If you guys want to purchase the microphone, the link will be down in the description down below. And thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and give it a big thumbs up like always. And thanks so much for watching. Bye! Since YouTube has disabled our comments, you guys can contact us on Twitter. I'll put that link down below as well.